Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is kind of a Dollar General walkthrough, kind of their beauty and makeup section. They had lots of really nice items, and I did buy a few things, and I'll share those with you at the end of the video after the walkthrough portion of this video. But if you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me, and I do hope that you will hit that subscribe button and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. I do a lot of affordable beauty content, specifically like Dollar Tree makeup and haul oriented, and you may have stumbled onto this video because you enjoy walkthroughs, so I am doing more of those on my channel, so definitely hit that subscribe button if all that sounds good to you. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of show you one of the many Dollar Generals that I have in the area that I live in and show you some items that were there. Then after that, I'll share with you a few items that I picked up for myself. So if that sounds good to you, definitely keep on watching. So some time ago, I did do a full face of Believe Beauty, and I will have that link down below just in case you're interested. But I haven't repurchased anything since that video over a year ago. So I did buy a couple of Believe Beauty items and then a couple other random things. So the first thing I did was picked up more of this Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. It's a medium to full coverage foundation if you're not familiar with it. Slightly luminous, and I picked up the shade Buff. The last shade I had was, I think, a shade darker. It was called Soft Beige. That worked really great too. And I just recently finished that up in my latest empties video, which I'll also have linked down below. But this is what it looks like. If you're not familiar with this foundation, it is amazing. It comes with a wonderful, very high-end looking pump bottle. And this does twist off so you can get all the product out when you're finished. So yeah, this is like my favorite foundation I've ever used. Love it so, so much. And it's like $5 or $4.50. It's cheap, cheaper than like anything you can buy at the drugstore. So picked up some of that. And then they actually had these in a sale area that they have in one of the aisles. So I picked up 3 different items and they were on sale for $3.55 a piece. I got 2 Believe Beauty blushes. This one here is in Fancy Plum. So that's what it looks like in the pan, just a little bit shimmery. So let's go ahead and swatch it. I kind of got this because it looks similar to one I got from the Dollar Tree by Wet n Wild. That is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Very rich, very pigmented, very creamy. Super excited to use that. And then I got this other one. This is the Born to Blush. This is the Believe Beauty blush in Wink. And it's a similar shade, just maybe a little bit more pinky and a little bit more matte, kind of like a satin. So it's very soft pink. Again, very pretty. Then I got this Believe Beauty Radiant Finish Highlighter. This is in Champagne Kiss. I thought the shade was beautiful. So that's what the shade looks like up close. Stunning, stunning shade. So super excited to use all 3 of those and to have my foundation back. Then I picked up 2 more items. I had never tried, I've heard great things about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I've never tried it. So they have a bunch of Wet n Wild products there, and so I decided to pick this up. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in Soft Beige. It's a light, medium, warm shade. So this is what it looks like. And it was very similar to the shade here. So I thought that that was a good match. So I do like to favor my foundations a little on the lighter side. And this comes with a kind of a spatula, which I've never really used a foundation with this type of method before, which I think I will actually really like that. So I'm very excited to try this finally because I've never tried it before. I know it's crazy. It's crazy. And then last but not least, the only place I'm able to find this anymore is at the Dollar General. And this is like my husband's favorite body spray. It's the Bod Man and it's the Body Heat. And so, yeah, if I'm in there, I try to think to pick this up because it really does. It smells really, really good. So yeah, I picked this up for him as well. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar General beauty walkthrough and kind of mini haul. And if you did, show me you did by hitting that like button. Do you shop at Dollar General for any of your beauty or makeup items? Definitely comment down below and let me know. If you're like me, you live in an area that has a lot of Dollar Generals. Definitely check out those videos and playlists I mentioned down in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.